Hello, my bad Grin champions. The fastest way to learn anime art style from imagination is to stop mindlessly copying from reference. This drawing practice is killing your skill development. So do this instead. I call it the reverse engineering method. Let me show you. Now, in this drawing exercise, you are analyzing the other artist's work. I'm using very simple geometric shapes. A tapered box for the chest area, a ball for the stomach, and a bowl where I cut holes in it. This kind of makes like Superman's underwear for his costume. Keep your shapes as simple as possible because you want to be able to visualize quickly and easily in your head. I use balls for the joints, also tapered cylinders for the arms, legs, and neck. The feet can be a wedge or a cylinder. Hands are tapered cylinders. Fingers are packed together in one big triangle. Once you have done this, I want you to rotate the entire figure around at a 45-degree angle. You're going to draw the same shapes, but from this angle. Draw the character in a very simple pose, even a robotic one if you have to do so. Don't get a new reference. Use the artist reference you already have and your own drawing from that reference as your only guide. You have to be able to do this if you want to draw from imagination. Next, you want to observe how the artist drew their details. You add these details over the basic shapes. Think of it as like building a snowman. For a snowman, you make 3 different sized giant snowballs and stack them on top of each other, right? Same thing here with the figure. Stack the simple shapes, then you can add the buttons, the scarf, and the hat later. Alright, bonus round. Now you do the whole thing again, but when you draw the character from a different angle, you do it completely from memory. You hide the reference and the drawing you did of the reference. Your drawing will look terrible. Why? Because you aren't retaining the information by just drawing from reference. In order to get your mind able to draw from imagination, you have to be able to draw from memory. Drawing from memory is the quickest way to learn to draw. So rinse and repeat this method at least 4 times. Draw from reference, draw from memory without any support. When you get done, your head will probably hurt. So take a break from drawing. You earned it. Now come back in a few hours. Draw again, but this time just for fun. Something casual, super easy. Something that you can do without really thinking about it. Don't worry how it looks, just enjoy the drawing. If you do this daily, one day you will sit down for your fun drawing and it will feel so easy and it will look amazing. Subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any more great tips. The reverse engineering method is the quickest way to learning how to draw an anime style. I know this because once I started doing this drawing exercise daily, that is when I made my dramatic improvement in my own learning to draw. You're welcome.